Your 401k is not a retirement plan. Nothing but an IRS tax code that was discovered by a gentleman named Ted Benner. The first 401k was enrolled in 1981. Then it became a really big thing in the early 90s. It's also known as a contribution plan. You know why? Because you know exactly what you contribute in it, but you won't know what you're going to get from it. The reason why is because your money is tied to the market. So if the market goes up, you make money. The market goes down, you lose money. That's why they call it defined contribution. You know what you put in, but there's no way to know what you're going to get out. Over 70% of people did not know that they're paying fees. They got a whole bunch of fees in these things. Then let's talk about the taxes. You're going to pay tax on the withdrawal, and then at the end of the year, they're going to tax you as ordinary income as well. But you call it a retirement plan. Are you ready to wake up yet? Are you done sipping the Kool-Aid? Click the link. Why are you still watching? Go click the link.